Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic American convertibles of the late 1960s, the 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. This car wasn't just transportation, it was a statement of luxury, confidence, and pure cruising comfort. So sit back, relax, and let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, and overall legacy. Let's start with the exterior. The 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible stands long, low, and unmistakably elegant. Its design is sharp yet graceful, defined by Cadillac's classic stacked headlights, a wide chrome grille, and clean body lines stretching across its nearly 19-foot length. The chrome bumpers, polished trim, and sculpted tail fins give it an unmistakable road presence. The electrically powered soft top folds away smoothly, opening the car to the sky and turning every drive into a luxury experience. Everything about the exterior screams American prestige and craftsmanship. Moving into the interior. Inside, the DeVille Convertible continues its mission of comfort and style. Cadillac spared no expense: plush leather seating, generous legroom, and a dashboard packed with premium features for its time. You'll find soft touch materials, chrome accents, and a sweeping instrument panel designed to wrap around the driver. Power windows, power seats, automatic climate control, and even tilt steering were available, conveniences that many modern cars still boast today. The cabin feels like a rolling living room, designed to glide you down the road in absolute comfort. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 1967 DeVille Convertible is powered by a massive 7.0-liter, 429-cubic-inch V8 engine, delivering around 340 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission, the car offers powerful acceleration with effortless cruising capability. The suspension is tuned to soak up bumps like they aren't even there, giving the DeVille its signature, floating, Cadillac ride. It wasn't made to be a race car, it was made to dominate the road with silence, strength, and unmatched comfort. Finally, the conclusion. The 1967 Cadillac DeVille Convertible is more than a classic car, it's a piece of American automotive luxury history. With its commanding exterior presence, ultra-comfortable interior, and strong V8 performance, it represents the golden age of Cadillac engineering. Whether you're a collector, a cruiser, or simply a fan of vintage American metal, this convertible delivers a driving experience that modern cars simply can't replicate. Elegant, powerful, and unforgettable, the 67 DeVille remains one of Cadillac's finest creations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car content. See you in the next video.